Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Hello gorgeous people! How are you? I hope you're doing well. Now today, I went to Sephora to get some essentials and I bought some stuff that I don't need and some stuff that I wanted to try. So I bumped into, bitch, you know who I bumped into? Wishful! I got two. One is the chin lift, which I really need, and the thirst trap, which I also really need. So they're both helpful to me, and I'm gonna do a separate video for each mask, so check them out. I'll link the video down in the description box. We're gonna go first with thirst trap. I like this name. Is there a song about thirst trap, or I'm not sure though. Anyway, I'm so excited to try this. I love the packaging. It's gorgeous and it's so trendy. 2020, hello. First, let's go through I'm on Huda Beauty website, and it says here everything about the mask. So let's start first with the price. It's $9 on the website. On Sephora, let me just get a receipt. Sephora, it cost 39 dirhams. How much is that in dollars? Let me check. Let me Google that real quick. 39 AD to USD. That's $10.62. That's $1.62 more. Oh my god, that's the incentive? Joke. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. What it is. We grab the mask. So, thirst trap. It's a Savior Dehydrated Thirsty Skin. Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask is dripping with hydrating ingredients to give your skin a major hit of moisture. I really have a dry skin. Like any dermatologist that would look at my skin, they would always say, you have a dry skin. And I would say back, bitch, how did you know? Like, how did you know? Girl, you just hurt my feelings. Continue. Time-tested ingredients like aloe vera, sodium hyaluronate soothe and hydrate your skin, while allantoin and niacinamide brighten and protect. Interesting. Each thirst trap mask is made with a unique double-layer fiber technology that allows it to hold significantly more of the powerful vitamin-rich essence that is any conventional sheet mask. Wow, this is innovation. Can't wait to try. The mask swells to maximum absorption, allowing even more of the ingredient-rich formula to drench and penetrate the skin. Penetration is gonna be penetration happening today. I'm excited. Highlighted ingredients. Hollyhock rose extract. This ingredient helps to restore, soften, and soothe the skin. Second is sodium hyaluronate, aids in hydration, resulting in more plump and healthier skin. And the third, but not the least, the most common that everyone loves, aloe vera. Helps to cool and soothe the skin. What else do you need to know? Oh my god, everything is so educational. Yeah. So let's dive into how to use this mask. Does anyone doesn't know how to use a mask? This is for you. Start with a clean and dry face. Check. Moving on. Let's open. Ta-da! I need to drink. Thirst trap. Oh, before I start, I need to put my hair away from my face. So now I'm ready. So remove the protective film from the mask and apply it to the face. I keep saying that. This must be the third time. Ooh, look at that. There's a lot of liquid inside. Oh my god. Ooh. I tried to grab the mask and my finger just slipped. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try it. Okay. So let's remove the film. I'm not kidding, it's so, hold on. It's so smooth, it's so soft, and then I'm not kidding, it's very slippery. Okay. Oh, this is a new mask. Oh yeah. It's like the the styrofoam cover of the apple when you buy it from the supermarket. That's exactly it. See? I'm not sure if you could see it. Okay, maybe I turn around. I'm not sure if you could see that. Can you see it? Yeah, okay, there you go. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is the plastic film. So this is the mask. And this is the plastic film. Oh. Interesting. So we're gonna put down the plastic film and grab the mask. Okay. What's the next step? Okay, third step is leave the mask for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna put it in our face. Oh my god. It feels so good. Oh, I'm not exaggerating. It feels so good. Can someone massage me? Like my face? Can I massage this on my face? Is that okay? It is calming. I will agree 100%. Okay. Now it's on my face. It's time to leave it for how long? 20 minutes. But I'm gonna leave it longer than 20 minutes because this mask is $1.60 what? 62 cents more. And there's more liquid inside. I'm gonna put some. Let me just scrape it. Not sure if you can see that. I'm gonna take some and put it on my neck. There's more. Can you see that? There's more. It's not watery. The consistency of the liquid is not watery. See? It won't even fall. Hold on. It's in my finger. It won't even fall. It's just there. It's like lube. It's a lube consistency. Yeah. It is like lube. Look. Oh, it's like aloe vera. You know. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's actually aloe vera, but I'm not saying it's like. I mean, there's actually an aloe vera. Yeah. Oh. So I've tried some masks. They're so watery. They would run on your neck and down to your feet. But this one, it is like sticky. The smell. Let's try the scent. The smell smells like aloe vera. Smells more like of aloe vera, yeah. No candies. I don't smell any floral. I don't smell any. I just like aloe vera thing. So let me put this on my forearm. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna start timing now. 30 minutes is over. Oh my gosh. Let's go, bitch. Let's go. Now we're back. Time is up. 30 minutes is over. Now I'm gonna tell you how it feels for 30 minutes. I didn't feel any tingling or any kind of negative sensation. I am happy. So far, I enjoyed my moment. I feel so relaxed, and I took a nap. I took a nap real quick, and now it feels tacky. Huda said it's totally fine. Now I'm feeling uncomfortable because it's getting dry. I'm gonna remove it. Ta-da! Oh, totally torn. Because I keep pulling on this side because you know my face is not symmetrical. It has to work with now me. Now it's time for the overall experience. I'll go back to the website to check if I feel the same way with the 22 people they tested for this product. Okay, thirst trapped face mask. 22 people said 100% agree that their skin felt hydrated. Correct. I did this. Check. Check. Felt more moisturized. Check. Softer skin. Check. Dewy glow. Yes. Check. Soothing and smoothing. Skin felt soothed. Skin felt a cooling sensation during wear. Mask made them feel calmer. Skin felt smoother. Check, 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 check. I agree. Congratulations, Huda. I love Thirst Trap. It's a beautiful product. I would use it every day. Now we'll go to the pricing. The price. Would I purchase it again? My answer is yes and a no. I'm gonna purchase it again because it really made my skin really feel smooth, hydrated, and moisturized. But no, because of the price. Price-wise, it's not in my budget. I'm sorry, but if I have the budget, I will buy it. I will use it every day. I have no problem with that. I love it. I love it. I love the dewy skin, the soothing, and really nice looking healthy skin. I'm all for that. Not saying no. This is the last but not the least information. Thirst Trap by Wishful is made in Korea. It's made in South Korea. 안녕하세요. Oh, I love South Korean products. They're amazing. I'll be there soon. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments, suggestions, anything that you want me to try. I'll be happy to do so. See if it's in my budget or not. Have a nice day and see you all soon next time. Take care.